welcome back to my channel. This is Marian Castro once again. So in this video, we are going to Zorah Beach for our fishing and camping adventures. So come and join us guys in this adventure. Zorah Beach is actually located here in Ajman. This is a public beach where you can do camping, fishing, and also a picnic for family and with your friends that you will truly enjoy. As you can see in my video, there are a lot of people coming here for fishing. There are people also doing camping on the other side of the beach. They have their camper van and some other people just put the tent on the side of the beach. And this is my son who loves fishing with his dad. So this is our tent for today. This tent is already good for 4 persons. So we upgraded our tent. Already got?
I don't know.
Really? So we are fishing at the same time. So at the moment, we already get how many fishes? 3 fishes.
Tadi building.
The sun is setting now.
Oh, my son.
I don't know. Our tent is here.
My collar.
What are you doing?
I'm fishing for my Pacific Heavy.
Really? We got fish, guys. We got fish. And there you go. It's big. Good morning, guys. It's currently 8 o'clock and we're still here in the seaside. And we just wake up. Mikey. Hello, guys. So we are still inside our tent. We have a bigger tent now actually. This is already good for 4 person. Daddy, did you got fish?
Huh?
You got fish?
No, only stuck there. That's all.